Right students, today we will discuss about homogeneous system. In the last class we discussed about the non-homogeneous system. Today we will discuss about homogeneous system. What are the homogeneous system? The homogeneous system, Ax equal to 0, that is the homogeneous system. Ax equal to 0, homogeneous system. And observe that the homogeneous system is always consistent. The homogeneous system is always consistent. That means always it has a solution. The homogeneous system is always consistent. Always it has a solution. It has a solution means it may have unique solution or it may have infinitely many solutions. The first one, unique solution. The system of homogeneous system have unique solution. When it has unique solution means when it has unique solution means that A is not equal to 0. That A not equal to 0. That A not equal to 0. And one more thing we call as the unique solution or zero solution or this is the trivial solution. Then what is the solution? X equal to y equal to z equal to 0. That is the homogeneous system having unique solution. X equal to y equal to z equal to 0. And the second one, infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. When it have infinitely many solutions, delta A equal to 0. That means, so non-zero solution or non-trivial solution. So maximum questions based on this one, because what they are asking, they give the system of equations having infinitely many solutions. We have to do the delta A equal to 0. In the question they will give some lambda k. So that values we have to find. Delta A equal to 0 or non-zero solution, same thing, or non-trivial solution. They will ask the system of equations have infinitely many solutions or non-zero solution or non-trivial solution. Then what we have to do? Delta A equal to 0. So that is the concept. Right students, now see this problem. The greatest value of C belongs to for which the system of linear equations has non-trivial solutions equal to 0. That is the homogeneous system has non-trivial solution. What about the non-trivial solution? Just simply delta A equal to 0. Non-trivial solution, non-zero solution or infinitely many solutions. What we have to do? Delta A equal to 0. What is the delta A? Delta A equal to delta 1 minus C C minus 1 C minus 1. Delta A equal to 0. What is that implies? 1 into 1 minus C square minus of minus C plus C into minus C into minus 1 minus C square minus C into C square plus C equal to 0. What is that implies? 1 minus C square minus C square minus C cube minus C square equal to 0. What is that implies? Minus C cube minus 2C cube minus C square minus C square minus 3C square plus 1 equal to 0. Now multiply with minus sign. 2C cube plus 3c square minus 1 equal to 0. 2c cube plus 3c square minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is the cubic equation. You have to guess one root. So put x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. C cube. Put x c equal to minus 1. Then it will become minus 2, minus 1. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. So by synthetic division, 2, 3, 0, minus 1. So what is the c value? Minus 1, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, 0. 2c square plus a c minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2. That means what? 2c square plus 2c minus c minus 1 equal to 0. So 2c minus 1 into c plus 1 equal to 0. So c equal to 1 by 2 comma minus 1. So what are the roots? One root is the c equal to minus 1. So c equal to minus 1, minus 1, 1 by 2. These are the three roots. Among these three roots, what is the greatest one? They are asking the greatest value of c belongs to. The greatest one is 1 by 2. That is the answer. So answer is 1 by 2. Right students, now see this problem. The set of values of lambda for which the system of equations x minus 2y minus 2z equal lambda x plus 2y plus z equal to lambda y minus x minus y equal to lambda z has a non-trivial solution. Again same, non-trivial solution, same thing, delta a equal to 0. And observe that this is a homogeneous system only. X minus 2y minus 2z equal to lambda x. Now take this side, 1 minus lambda into x minus 2y minus 2z equal to 0, or multiply with minus lambda minus 1 into x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 0. That is the first equation. What is the second equation? Second one, x plus 2y plus z equal to lambda y. Now take this x plus 2 minus lambda into y plus z equal to 0. What are the third equation? Minus x minus y equal to lambda z. Take that side, x plus y plus lambda z equal to 0. That is the third equation. Now delta a equal to 0. What is the delta a equal to? Delta of, what is the first one? X quotient lambda minus 1, y quotient 2, 2. Next, what is the x quotient? 1, y quotient 2 minus lambda, and z quotient 1. X quotient 1, y quotient 1, lambda equal to 0. What is the numbers? Lambda minus 1 into 2 minus lambda into lambda, 2 minus lambda into lambda, minus 1, minus 2 into 1 into lambda, lambda minus 1, plus 2 into 1 into 1, 1, minus of this one, 2 minus lambda equal to 0. What is this implies? Lambda minus 1 into 2 lambda minus lambda square minus 1 minus 2 lambda minus minus plus 2, and 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus minus plus lambda 2 lambda equal to 0. So now multiply with lambda, 2 lambda square minus lambda cube, lambda into minus 1 minus lambda. Now multiply with minus n, minus 2 lambda minus minus plus lambda cube, sorry, minus 2 lambda minus minus plus lambda square minus minus plus 1. Next one, minus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda cancel, 2 minus 2, that also gets cancelled, equal to 0. Now what is this implies? Minus lambda cube, 2 lambda square plus lambda square, 3 lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. What is this in place? Lambda cube minus 3 lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. That is nothing but the lambda minus 1 whole cube equal to 0. That is lambda equal to 1 1 1. Lambda equal to 1 1 1. 1 1 1. So how many roots are there? Set containing only one. Set containing only one. So how many roots are there? What is the C? The set of values of lambda. Set of values of lambda contains only one element. That is a singleton. That is the answer. Right students, now see this problem. Very important one, this problem. The number of values of theta belongs to 0 to pi, for which the system of linear equations has non-trivial solution. So same order, non-trivial solution, non-zero solution, infinitely many solutions. So delta A equal to 0. Right. Now see this one. What is the delta A equal to? Delta A equal to delta. The first one 1 3 7. Second one minus 1 4 7. And third one sin 3 theta cos 2 theta and 2 delta equal to 0. What is the difference? 1 and 2. 8 minus 7 cos 2 theta minus 3 into minus 1 into 2. Minus 2 minus 7 sin 7 3 theta plus 7 into minus 1 into cos 2 theta minus cos 2 theta and minus 4 sin 3 theta equal to 0. Minus cos 2 theta minus 4 sin 3 theta equal to 0. What is the difference? 8 minus 7 cos 2 theta minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 21 sin 3 theta minus 7 cos 2 theta minus 28 sin 3 theta equal to 0. Now what is this one plus? 21 sin 3 theta minus 28 minus 7 sin 3 theta minus 7 cos 2 theta minus 7 cos 2 theta minus 14 cos 2 theta and 8 plus 6 plus 14 equal to 0. What is the difference? Now take minus 7 common, sin 3 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 2 equal to 0. So sin 3 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 2 equal to 0. What is the sin 3 theta? Observe this one. What is the sin 3 theta? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta plus 2 into what is the cos 2 theta? 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus 2 equal to 0. So again, what is this one place? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta plus 2 minus 4 sin square theta minus 2 equal to 0. What is the term place? Minus 4 sin cube theta minus 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta, 2 cancel plus 3 sin theta equal to 0. Equal to 0. Term place. Now take minus sin theta common. Minus sin theta common. That is the 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. Term place. Either sin theta equal to 0 or 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. When sin theta equal to 0, theta equal to 0 comma pi. But the given theta belongs to open interval 0 to pi. So these two are not possible. And again, factorize this one. 4 sin square theta, 4 into minus 3, minus 2. 4 sin square theta plus 6 sin theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. Add in place. 2 sin theta comma 2 sin theta minus 1 into 2 sin theta plus 3 equal to 0. What is that implies? Sin theta equal to 1 by 2 comma sin theta equal to minus 3 by 2. This is not possible. Then what is the answer? Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. When sin theta equal to 1 by 2 possible? Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. This is the function. So 0 to pi. Sin function graph is like this one. Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Draw the graph. So how many values are there? 2 values. So that is the way we can find. Now to check what are the values. 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi. So this is the 0 to pi. Next graph, draw the graph like this. Pi to 2. Like that one. Here given only 0 to pi. Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. And you can find what are the solutions also. Pi by 6, pi minus pi by 6. That is the 5 pi by 6. These are the two solutions. They are asking the number of solutions. So that is the option. Right, students.